Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to pay PLDT using Atome. So let's start. The first one is open Atome app, then head your bills to choose your bill to pay. Under available method, search for pay bills via e-wallets. Compare payment to find your unique reference number, copy this number. Then head your preferred e-wallet amount, the options currently support. Find the bill's payment screen and then tap Add Biller. Then you have to search for Atome among the list of available billers. Paste your reference number and provide the full name you use to register for Atome. Provide the amount you wish to repay. And tap Next to review your payment details. Confirm the amount and complete the payment. So, if you follow these steps, you can pay the PLDT using Atome. As you can see, are very easy to do it, few steps in fact, but well, you have to do it and consider that e-wallets may charge a convenience fee in addition to Atome bill. So consider that one. Everything is by the app, so download the app for Atome and you can start paying or using more services that offer you there. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.